What up everybody, it's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you how to do butterfly sit-ups. Butterfly sit-ups, not just it helps the core, it also helps your inner thigh muscles and also open up your hips. Because sometimes your hips may be tight, so this exercise open your hips. That's the benefit of this exercise, because this exercise can also help you do leg exercises such as squats and deadlifts and lunges. Plus it can also help you running. And I'm going to show you a butterfly stretch first, because I think you should do that before every leg workout. Like I said, the exercise such as squats, deadlifts, lunges, and running. So what you do is, say you have on shoes, the bottom of both of your shoes touch each other like this. That's why I call it the butterfly sit-up, because you look like a butterfly. And what I do is get both your hands and just grab both of your shoes at the top and just hold it. Now you can do that for 30 seconds, then you take a break for probably like 10 like this, then go back for another 30 seconds. Also in this exercise you can also flap your wings. You get it? Flap your wings, no butterflies, flap their wings. You like that? I know you like that. I know you like that. Okay, let me stop playing, okay. Okay, let me turn this way to show you how to do the sit-up, butterfly sit-ups. So of course your legs stay like this. So we go back in the sit-up position. So like this, it's like the same motion you do a sit-up. You just sit up. But now when you come right here, make sure your hands come out and touch your shoes just like you do in the stretch. Then you come back. Now I recommend doing 3 to 4 sets of those, 15 reps and 30 seconds between each set. I'm just gonna do 15 for one set. 1, 2. You're really gonna feel your inner thigh on this exercise for real. 3, 4, 5. You might gotta adjust yourself a little bit if your legs start moving or your feet start moving apart just a tad. 6, 7. Make sure you go steady, not too fast, not too slow. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's how you do butterfly sit-ups. Just remember, do 3 to 4 sets, and also between each set, you rest for 30 seconds. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing. Follow These Muscles on Instagram, @TheseMuscles, and These Muscles!